I am so glad you're joining us for The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale. The thing that I love in this mastermind, this inner circle mastermind, are all of these great classics that we get to study. And Earl Nightingale was an incredible man and an expert in personal development before that was really a cool thing like it is now. And The Strangest Secret was actually a recording that he made in the 1950s on a record. And so it's not very long. It won't take you long to get through it. It basically represents one side of the record, and then the other side of the record. It comes in two parts. So you have in your Inner Circle Mastermind portal, there you have access to a PDF written version of it. You also can listen to his actual voice that it was transcribed from. So that's always also interesting. Just so that you know, it's very important to be asking the right questions. And so just before you start The Strangest Secret, I just want to put a couple questions in your mind that you can be looking for the answers to as you begin this part of the journey. And the first question is, what is the strangest secret? And what is so strange about it? Okay, so I want you to ask those questions as you begin to listen to it or as you begin your reading. What is the strangest secret? And why is it so strange? And in the first half of this, which is the first side of the record, he's going to talk about he's going to give you the answers to those questions. What is the strangest secret? And then in the second half, the second side of the record, he is going to help you learn how to implement the principles that he's teaching, okay? So, and he's going to end with a 30-day challenge to choose something in your life that you can kind of do an experiment on. So what's something in your life that you would like to create? And I'm throwing this out to you now before you start because I want you to be thinking of that even when you're going through the first part, so that you can be bringing into your mind what are some things that you would like to see different results in your life. What is the priority for you? What would be your number one? Where could you start? Where could you get the most bang for your buck right off the bat? Okay, so choose one thing as you go through this and just allow it to come up from your heart space if you can. That would be the best place. And then some of you, it'll just be right on the tip of your tongue. It'll be obvious and ridiculous because you'll be thinking, yes, I think about this all the time. I don't even have to work on it. And others will maybe have a little bit more difficulty choosing something to work on or just choosing one thing to work on. But for your 30-day challenge that comes at the end of this Strangest Secret, you will want to choose one thing to work on and to put into practice his 30-day challenge. So on your mark, get set, go.